here we go. Another display for our boy Jeff. Good luck. First pack. And Master Flare Hyperion. Chaos Greffer. Alright, what do you guys want to see? Another Dark Magician girl? Maybe a Blue Eyes this time? Quintet Magician. Number 97. I probably want to see a Blue Eyes White Dragon and Cyber Dragon. Those would be cool. Galaxy Soldier. Red Eyes Black Dragon. No, Red Eyes Black Dragon. I can't do Joey Wheeler. Majesty Hyperion. My red eyes. I can't do Joey. Holy crap. Doppel Warrior. And Dark Magician. Thought that was going to be the Blue Eyes Ultimate because it's a fusion. Nope. Getting debated. Here we go. And Vision Hero. Red Eyes Baby Dragon. And Necro World Banshee. Mardell. All right, here we go. Reptia eggs. Altergeist and Majesty Hyperion. Probably over halfway now. Getting through this pretty quick for a display box. Alright, Vampire Grace again. Elemental Hero Neos. Alright, we need to hit Halka Fibrax and a Luber. That's how we know we get good pulls. It's been the pattern. All right. Oh my God! It slipped right into there. Sorry, wrong words. But he pulls another DMG. This one's really OC. But there's no foil shift. Dud box, what are you talking about? How late are you, bro? How late is the stream for you? Scuffing. Let's go. He got a second DMG. Let's go. Let's go. Money, money. God damn. God damn, son. That's how you make money. You'll take it for compensation. God damn, son. Nice to see that we have the loaded ones. We have the ones with all the DMGs. Hell yeah. Alright. Alright, we keep going. We keep going. You're gonna rip that one too. And GG. Yeah, he wins. That's it. Wanting to sell 2 DMGs for 800. Let's go. Do it. Someone take it. Elemental Hero, Neos. And Necro World Banshee. Oh, we got 2 more packs. Can we get another ghost? Come on. Can we continue this luck? And Dark Magicians, Dragon Knight. Come on, 1 pack. Come on, Blue Eyes. Last pack magic. It was a Blue Eyes. Let's go. Oh, Chronicle Magician. Alright.